So nothing, I changed and left for a day out. This guy was under too much pressure because his anal sphincter were just about to burst open. Hey guys, so if you're new here, I'm a final year medical student and being in final year, I have to explore a lot of things because यही सोच के कि हाँ भाई बहुत टाइम है बाद में देखेंगे मैंने ये भी छोड़ दिया था. So today we are going to Casella! I don't know if the girls would relate, but I had decided the outfit in my second or third year itself that I'm gonna wear a skirt, but since I could not sit on bike with a skirt, so I wore this pajama and later on I changed inside. Although there were many things closed and was not the best time to go to this place, but never mind, I just had to go. Plus there was an offer as well, so why not? Kids only. The entrance was so cool and even the interior were designed so nicely that it reminded, oh wow, coffee. So yeah, it reminded me of those amusements park which we used to go in groups in our school days. कितनी जल्दी बड़े हो गए यार हम. Okay, so all my friends had already been to this place, so they advised me to start from the behind.
Drinking coffee. All the work I am doing, okay?
I mean, मतलब छी यार इतनी गंदी इंग्लिश कैसे हो गई है मेरी.
It's me. I asked people where to go. I am searching how to go. All he is doing is that's it.
And we finally found the bus stop and we were just waiting for the bus because according to them every other 15 to 20 minutes a bus comes. People who are watching this for the first time and might be thinking of going to Casella, please do ask around. People are genuinely helpful here. And when you sit in the bus, they will stop you at the predator animal and ask you to get down. We didn't because we didn't actually know and no one was getting down. So we missed that part. So this bus dropped us straight away from 14 to the 11th spot, that was the giraffe platform. While going to the platform, we saw so many peacocks and they were looking so cute. And honestly, I was so excited to watch the giraffe because I have never ever in my life seen a giraffe in real. But brother, it looked like it's an animation. He didn't even look real. There were many giraffes, but they were all of small height. That's why only one was able to get to the top and was interacting with us. There was an activity where we can feed the giraffe. Giraffes be like, हाँ चल पहले खाना दे मुझे हाथ मत लगा बिना खाने के ऐसे हाँ छोटू ये हुई ना बात जहर तो नहीं है इसमें सूंघ लेता हूँ पहले हाँ चल ठीक है सही लग रहा है बढ़िया है हाँ छू सकता अब तो मुझे इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा चल चल guys please these were my real thoughts after watching the video and this is more crazier French kiss with a giraffe I mean that was not in my bucket list to watch बड़े होकर इंटरेस्ट कैसे बदल जाते हैं बचपन में कितने सिंपल थे यार हम Right in front of this we had a bus stop and from there we had to take bus to African Safari which will complete our both 12th and 13th spot. But guys jokes apart it's a very serious question that does this guy really look like this guy? I mean it was not me okay it was Pankaj's idea. Do let us know in the comment section.
Very bad.
We went on a weekday and that too a little late than usual timings and still it was so much rush that I thought I won't be even getting a seat in there. As soon as the safari started, I was so excited, but honestly, every other animal or something new that we could see was always on the other side. And on our side, yeah, this nothing. Rhino was already so far away. Then we had so many people in front of us. My phone was not even able to capture a single glance of it. I mean, at one point, I was like, what the hell is this? I'm assuming that this was kind of a reservoir type they have built for the animals to drink water. And do you see this guy? He must be thinking, क्या फिर से आ गए ये लोग हमें देखने. हाँ, जैसे पहले तुम्हें फील हो रहा था ना वो सीनरीज देख के और पीछे ऐसे गाना बज रहा है, हमारे अंदर भी वैसे हो रहा था, बट अंदर से फटी पड़ी थी क्योंकि ये ऑस्ट्रिच एकदम मुंह के सामने आके काटने लगा था और हम बेचारे इन जीब्रास को देखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट ऑस्ट्रिच वाज एन अटेंशन सीकर। भाई सही में अगर देखा जाए तो जीब्रा स्कूल तो बड़े हैं, ये अभी भी आई गेस अर्ली 2000 में रह रहे हैं। स्पाइक्स देख रहे हो तुम इनके, टक्कर दे रहे हैं भाई ये उन्हें।
ये क्या है, कह रहा है भैंस है।
एंटीलोप को भैंस कह दिया, मतलब सीरियसली। नो ऑफेंस, उसको मुझसे ज़्यादा नॉलेज है, ऐसा नहीं है। आई गेस वो मजाक कर रहा था फॉर श्योर, बट भाई कितने क्रेजी लग रहे हैं। ये वाला तो भाई सबका बाप लग रहा है। एंड देन वी ऑल्सो सॉ सो मेनी ऑस्ट्रिचेस एंड वी सॉ अ मेल ऑस्ट्रिच एंड आई डिडंट नो मेल ऑस्ट्रिचेस आर black in color, whereas female ostriches are usually dull and grayish feather like the ones you're seeing now. And we also saw their eggs. They had laid so many eggs at different places, and she was actually protecting them.
Как ты думаешь, зебра яйцо?
Oh my god!
Зебра, да? Мне кажется, это зебра ходит и яйцо оставит.
She's protecting her eggs.
So this was the end of the African safari, and honestly it was the best thing at that place. I was happy that we could see all of that when it was bright and sunny, because now it has started to rain. And earlier, since we had missed the Predator Kingdom, so we were taking the bus again to go back and see that. Honestly, I was just praying that it doesn't rain too much because I had to see so many things. I had just covered those 4 things. Honestly, those were the best part, but still, you know. And after taking this ferry again, we again went back to the place where we had to get down, but we didn't, and that was the Predator Kingdom. I was very excited for this, but to give my honest opinion, I did not like this part because there were so many fences that you cannot have a good look of any animal. I mean, I know it's for our protection, but still, like, I honestly could not see anything properly. And to go inside and have a good close up, 5000 MUR for 5 minutes, I mean, that's a bit diabolical because honestly, I have no interest in watching someone who can eat me in like 5 minutes. I know तुम्हें कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा होगा because I don't know why my phone was not working. I mean, I'm just saying that I'm watching lions and they are so big, and because of the fences I cannot have a good look. And I don't know how many of you guys follow this guy on YouTube, but I used to watch his videos, and you know who I found in real life? Mr. Dexter! भाई आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू हेयर हाइना स्पीक। आई मीन कुछ तो बोलती, मेरे को उनकी आवाज़ इतनी डरावनी लगती है, बट मैं ही बोले जा रही थी। एंड भाई कंजर्वेशन स्टेटस में से लीस्ट कंसर्न कौन लिखता है यार। कैसी आवाज़ है ये, मैं हैरान हो रही हूँ कि ये कैसी आवाज़ है, और पंकज बोल रहा है ये रॉर है। ये रॉर है। हमने ऑनेस्टली बहुत सारे एनिमल्स देखे एंड वन ऑफ देम वाज चीता एज वेल, बट मैं किसी का भी अच्छा शॉट नहीं ले पाई। सो या इसके बाद हम पहुंच गए कैमल फीडिंग के लिए, जिसके लिए भी हमें पैसे देने थे। एंड हम जहाँ जाते वहाँ कोई ना कोई फैमिली को इंटरेस्ट होता था ऐसे ये सब करने में, तो हमारा काम हो जाता था, देखने मिल जाता था कि कैसे ये लोग रिएक्ट करते हैं जब इनको खाना मिलता है। एंड भाई सबसे ज़्यादा ड्रामेटिक तो ये कैमल्स थे। भाई भूखे थे, मुझे लग रहा है ये सुबह से भूखे थे।
अब यार खिला भी दो।
ऐसे पकड़ लो।
पकड़ रहा हूँ। अब वो आगे तो आ बेटा, मैं पकड़ रहा हूँ।
बस फिर वही मौके पे चौका मार के मैंने ले ली सेल्फी अपने कैमल्स के साथ, एंड हम निकल गए नेक्स्ट स्टॉप के लिए। इसके बाद हमारी मुश्किल से बस 3 चीज़ें छोटी छोटी बची हुई थी, एंड हम जा रहे थे पेट फार्म की तरफ। एंड उसके बीच में हमें मिले टॉर्टोइस। वो वाले थोड़े DND के मोड में हैं, कैमोफ्लेज होके बैठे हैं। ये देखो, ये रहा टॉर्टोइस, पीछा कर रहे हैं इनको बच्चों, क्योंकि बच्चे भी इतने बदतमीज़ है कि इनको ऐसा साइन लगाना पड़ा। भाई इतना एक्टिव टॉर्टोइस तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा, मतलब कैसे चल रहा है।
टच करो उसके लेग्स को, टच करके देखो।
Oh, he farted. मुझे भगाने का तरीका बहुत कैजुअल था भाई तुम्हारा। मतलब तुम भाग नहीं सकते तो तुमने फाड़ मार दिया मेरे मुंह पे। मतलब दिस इज मी अगेन टेलिंग यू दैट आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल अबाउट द वेदर, दैट इट डिडंट रेन एंड द वेदर इज सो नाइस। This Tulwaka ride I really wanted to do, but it was under construction. So if I would have done that, it was the best day ever. But never mind, and I'll show you the llamas. So we finally reached the last spot, that was the bird sanctuary, and honestly this was also my least favorite because इधर तो predator animals से भी ज़्यादा fences थे यार। मतलब I could not take a single look. पिक्चर छोड़ो, मैं तो देख भी नहीं पा रही थी कि क्या है वो। नॉट गना लाई, इस कैमरे ने जो कैप्चर किया है ये मैं अपनी असली आंखों से भी नहीं देख पाई यार। एंड फिर मैं इसको रियलाइज़ करवा रही थी कि अभी भी ये कितना मोटा है, एंड इसने बोला जोक मत मार, मैंने बोला ये रियलिटी है, नेवर माइंड। तुलवाका राइड का कंपनसेशन के लिए इन्होंने हमें 3D पिक्चर दी थी, जो कि आई वाज नॉट मच एक्साइटेड फॉर, बट ऑनेस्टली इट वाज नॉट दैट बैड। लास्ट शो 4:30 पे होता है एंड वी एग्जैक्टली रीच्ड एट दैट टाइम, एंड हमें मिल गया लास्ट शो, एंड मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया देखने में। एंड दैट वाज इट फॉर द व्लॉग गाइस, एंड इफ यू वॉच टिल here, one like would mean a lot, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.